Hello everyone, in this video I'm showing my HTML and CSS project. I built this website design using simple HTML text, so CSS, for example Flexbox, forms and tables. It's a great project for beginners who wants to practice web design. This project is a complete web page created with HTML and CSS. The main purpose was to practice using different HTML tags together with CSS styling to make a clean and user-friendly design. It's a beginner-level project, but it includes many important elements that are used in real website. In the HTML part, I used the several tags to organize structure, headings, paragraphs, images, tables, forms, divs. In the CSS, in the CSS part, I focused on light and design. For example, a flexbox, fonts, colors, spacings, and media quality for print was also included, which means if someone prints the page, it will automatically adjust a printer-friendly version of my removing unnecessary styles like background color or button. So I added margins and paddings to give elements proper spacing. Fonts, colors, and spacing were customized to make the page look neat, professional. Flexbox was used to line items horizontally or vertically, which makes the layout responsive and modern. So in HTML part, I used the several tags to organize the structure. Headings H1, H2 were used to create title and subtitles so the content looks clear and easy to read. Paragraph were used to add normal text descriptions. Image were placed to make the design more visual and attractive. So tables and forms were used to show information in a grid format. This makes the data organized. So we use the containers to group content and apply CSS styling. This is a div tag. So I show you how I create this site. Overall, this project shows how basic HTML tags and CSS properties can be combined to build a structured, styled, and responsive website. It's simple enough for beginners, but still covers key concepts like forms, tables, and flexbox, making it great practice for front-end development. So next you can show this how I make this project. Goodbye.